Hello, Rachel here. Put together a quick video to show you how to customize the navigation that students will see in each of your courses. This is important because we want to make sure they have access to each of the different aspects of your Canvas course. So within your course, and likely you'll be doing this in each of your live courses. For me, because I don't have live courses, I'm doing this in my Perpetual Sandbox. You're going to click on Settings. Once you are within your Settings menu, you're going to click on the tab at the top to go to Navigation. And what you want to make sure is that all of the items that you want students to be able to see are visible at the top. So I actually paused so that I could clear this and show you how to drag each item to the top. Whatever's listed at the top is what students will see. Everything else will be visible to you, but not necessarily to students. So we definitely want our home page. Additionally, we want announcements to be visible. We want modules to be visible. We want everyone to be able, oh, it didn't stick, modules. We want everyone to be able to access their Google Drive. So we want this to be visible. Please understand this does not mean that students will have access to your Google Drive, but this will be what they will use to link their own Google Drive to Canvas so that they can upload assignments directly from there. So this is super important if you're going to have any Google assignments ever. Okay, or ever have a student upload anything from Drive. This needs to be up here. Okay, so we've got announcements, modules, Google Drive. Additionally, you might want to have grades be visible. If you are grading or giving feedback on any assignments in Canvas, you want students to be able to view those, and so we want grades to be visible. So really, these 5 items at the top are what we are asking every teacher at a minimum to make sure they have visible for students in course navigation. Beyond that, you have some choices to make, things like syllabus, assignments, quizzes, etc. The one caution that I will share with you is that teachers who have modules and also have assignments and quizzes and discussions visible to students, we are getting feedback from students who are sort of sharing that that is confusing to them because they're not sure where to go to get to the content they need to complete. So my advice is to put everything in modules. You can add quizzes, assignments, discussions, files, etc. directly into modules. And by doing that, it creates a one-stop shop, one location where students can access all the content they need in your class. So that is my advice, but certainly you have the option to add additional things up there. Syllabus kind of depends on where you put that syllabus. So whether or not you're using the syllabus page, or you might be putting that somewhere else on your home page, perhaps. The other thing is if you are trying to do grade sync from Canvas to Infinite Campus, you do want to drag grade sync up to the top as well. This will not be visible to students, only to you, but you need to drag it to the top in order for you to be able to have access to it. So once you have this set up exactly the way you want, and remember you can reorder them depending on the order that you want things to be in. I really like that. So I feel good about that. I'm ready. I need to make sure the last step, I have to hit the save button at the bottom. If I don't, it won't save it and it won't make those changes. If I want to check to see whether or not those changes have been saved, I'm going to click on Student View. And now you can see on Student View, I have all of those different elements visible to students. And that is the way to sort of check and make sure that you've got it done. If you need help, let me know. Thanks.